A new year, a blank page. We make resolutions, promises for a better us. This year, consider a resolution with ripple effects, a change that betters the world around you. Going vegan. Veganism is no longer a fringe movement. It's a growing trend, a conscious choice, making waves globally. More people are opening their minds and their kitchens to a plant-based lifestyle. Why? Because choosing compassion has never been more delicious or accessible. This year, join the movement. Make a New Year's resolution to choose kindness. Choose veganism in 2025. Why veganism in 2025? Let's start with you. Have you ever wondered about the impact of your food choices on your health, the environment, and the animals we share this planet with? Plant-based diets are bursting with nutrients. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies need to thrive. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, they fuel your body, boosting energy and promoting health. These foods are not only delicious, but also essential for maintaining a balanced diet. Studies show a decreased risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, even certain cancers. Adopting a vegan lifestyle can lead to a longer, healthier life. But it's not just about us. It's about the animals. Every year, billions of animals suffer in factory farms. Factory farming? It's a system built on suffering. Animals are kept in cramped, inhumane conditions, deprived of their natural behaviors. By choosing veganism, you're taking a stand against cruelty, promoting a kinder world for all creatures. And the planet? Our choices have a profound impact on the environment. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. The environmental cost is staggering. Every vegan meal is a step towards a greener, more sustainable future. By reducing our reliance on animal products, we can help preserve our planet for future generations. As we step into 2025, consider making a New Year resolution to go vegan. It's a powerful choice for your health, the animals, and the planet. Let's make this year the start of something transformative. Going vegan might seem daunting at first, but it doesn't have to be. Start small and take it one step at a time. Swap cow's milk for almond or soy milk. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. Experiment with tofu scramble for breakfast. It's delicious and packed with protein. Explore the vibrant world of lentils, beans, and quinoa. These ingredients are versatile and nutritious. The internet is a treasure trove of information and recipes. You can find countless ideas to inspire your meals. Websites like Veganuary and PETA offer guides, meal plans, and tips for beginners. They make the transition easier. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Take your time and enjoy the process. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to find what works best for you. Embrace the adventure and have fun with it. Make a New Year resolution to go vegan in 2025. It's a powerful step towards a kinder, healthier life. Section 4. Finding your vegan tribe. Support and inspiration for 2025. Going vegan is easier and more enjoyable when you have support. Connect with local vegan groups or online communities. Share recipes, tips, and experiences with others on the same path. Draw inspiration from those who have embraced veganism and are making a difference. Read books, watch documentaries, and follow vegan advocates for motivation. Remember, you are not alone. There is a global community ready to welcome and support you on this journey. Make a New Year resolution to go vegan and join a supportive community in 2025. Section 5. Embrace the change. Savor the difference in 2025. Choosing veganism is an act of compassion for yourself, for animals, and for our planet. It's a conscious decision to live more harmoniously with nature. It's a journey of discovery, of exploring new flavors and textures that you may have never experienced before, and embracing a kinder way of life. It's about making choices that reflect your values and beliefs. It won't always be easy, especially at the beginning when you're learning new recipes and finding new ingredients. But it will always be worth it. The joy and satisfaction you get from knowing you're making a positive impact is unparalleled. You'll be amazed by the delicious food you discover, from gourmet dishes to simple, wholesome meals. The vibrant community you join, full of like-minded individuals who share your passion, and the positive impact you make on the environment, reducing your carbon footprint and promoting sustainability. This new year, start fresh. Embrace the opportunity to make a change. Make a resolution to go vegan. Start kind. Start vegan. Savor the difference. Let 2025 be the year you transform your life and the world around you.